Good morning, student. Yesterday I was explain Euclid axioms. Now today I will discuss the postulates, Euclid postulates. Okay. So see the Euclid postulates. Euclid postulates. Postulates first. What is the postulates first? A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. A straight line may be drawn. A straight line may be drawn from any point. A straight line may be drawn from any point to any other point. Any other point. Suppose this is the point A and this is the point B. So a straight line can be drawn from point A to point B. This is the first postulates of Euclid's. Now second postulates. Second, a terminated line can be a terminated line can be terminated line can be produced indefinitely So a terminated line, suppose this is the line, here the terminated, now this can be produced from any infinite line. Postulates third. A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. A circle can be drawn. Postulates third. Postulates third. A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. With any center and any radius. Okay, means this is the circle, this is the center and this small r is the radius. Now we can draw, this is the center O dash and this is the radius r. So we can draw the circle with any radius and any center. Okay. Now fourth one, all right angle are equal to one another. Fourth postulate is postulates 4. all right angle are all right angles are equal to one another. It means all the right angles are equal. It doesn't matter how large is the triangle. This is the 90 degree. This is the A, B, C, and this is the P, Q, R. This is also 90 degree. So angle B equal to Q. If any other angle, that is the R, its value is 90 degree, then B equal to Q equal to R, what, etc. Now, fifth and last, that is the very important postulates. Fifth postulates. If a line falling on the two straight line, if a line falling on two straight line, if a straight line falling on two straight line makes the interior angle on the same side, makes the interior angle on the same side of it taken together, less than the two straight line, less than the two straight line. Less than the two right angle, two right angles. Then the two straight line, it produced infinitely. Then the two straight lines produced indefinitely meet on the that side of on which the sum of angle is less than, on which sum of angle is less than two right angles. Dear student, suppose these are the two lines and one line falling on these two lines. So what we have said, a line is falling on the two straight line. This is the two straight line and one line is falling on it. Taken together less than the two straight line. So sum of this and this is less than, this is angle 1 and angle 2. The sum of 1 and 2 is less than 2 right angle when they produce infinitely meet at the this is the third one. If they meet the right side, then these two interior angles, sum of these two interior angle is less than the 180. It means angle 1 plus angle 2 is less than 180. Where they meet to each other, and that side the interior angle is, sum of interior angle is less than 180. Thank you. One more important, actually postulates are already proved with the geometry. So what 5 postulates here, they are already proved by the geometrical. No need to prove here. Okay. We can use this result directly to solve the any problem. Thank you, student.